Mixed Media Watercolor Tutorials with Miss O. For this technique, I'll be using embossing powder to enhance the edges and bring out highlights in my piece. Showing you how I went about laying in my background watercolor and the techniques that I use that we covered in an earlier video. If yours doesn't look exactly like mine, don't worry about it. I'm giving you a base image to start with so that way we can come up with the same general idea at the end. Now, using an embossing pen, I'm going to go over the edges of the tree and detail some of the leaves of the tree to make them stand out. I'm going to take this embossing powder that's finely ground and sprinkle it over the wet ink. It will stick only in those places, so I can remove the rest of the powder by pouring it back into the cup. This powder is a great tool to use to highlight any area that you seem fit. Carefully using a heat gun, I'm going to warm up that powder, and as you can see, it'll start to melt and create a shiny metallic finish. This is one of 8 techniques I'll be demonstrating on my channel. Come back for the other 7 and see how you can add them and experiment with your own artwork.